Hey YouTuber do-it-yourselfers, this is Butt Skid. I'm about 60 miles out of Bozeman, Montana, up at a nice little lake called Louise Lake. Coming up for a little fishing, hopefully get some West Slope cutthroats. I'm here today with my tent, tarp tent that I built. This is built out of 1.1 ounce sill poly, and you guessed it, designed after Zpacks Duomid. Pretty much used the dimensions off his website, and I designed it in Sketchup, which works pretty well to kind of get the basic feel for the tent and how it's going to turn out. And this basically is the right side door. Got a little wind today, so that's a good test. We have doors on both sides. I chose to go with zippered doors rather than with Zpacks overlaps. Put some waterproof zippers on these, and then I also built some small hoods in for a little more ventilation. However, they're a little smaller than I planned on. And then I used some S-beaners on the ends. Right now I have it set up in the low storm position where I have the corners tied right down to the ground, and that just sheds the wind a little bit better. The interior has a bug netting, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So the other deviation away from the Zpacks design, I just put a basic L-shaped mosquito netting door. That way it tends to hang down during the open. I can put gear inside, and that way the flap will tend to hang down. It's a little less convenient getting in and out of, but the size of the opening is a little smaller than a big rainbow door like Zpacks. Got the same basic design with a bungee cord holding up each end of the bathtub floor and a small gear bag on each end. And I went with a fabric from Ripstopbytheroll. This is their second generation sill poly, and it was pretty easy to work with. Actually, I've never done any sewing before, and my wife has a great setup as far as roller cutters and good information when I need it. So she was able to steer me through some of these tighter sewing challenges. Thank you, Julie, for that. I did design the doors and the ends of the tent with cat cuts that are about 1.5 inch. The ends of the tent don't show that cat cut quite as well, so I could probably go a little bit bigger on that design. And just using black diamonds, trekking pole set up at about 48 inches. And again, I have this tied down with corners all the way down to shed wind a little better because we have more wind today. And I also have my pad and sleeping bag inside just to show you the size of the space involved. So I should be able to get 2 in there pretty comfortably. Anyway, at $1.50 an hour, this would be a $3,000 tent. Good luck, YouTubers.